Well, hey everyone, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you're like me, then you're probably having a little trouble with your microwave today. And so I really hope this video will help you figure out what's going on and diagnose it. Instead of having to buy a brand new microwave, we can actually just fix the one we have and save a little bit of money. It's going to be a pretty easy fix. You're just going to need a couple tools. I have needle nose pliers and a screwdriver, and you might need multiple screwdrivers for the type of microwave that you have. But I hope that this will be able to help you, and if it does, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, that would really help me out to make more videos like this. But I actually wanted to show you the problem that I'm having with my microwave right here. So here is my microwave, and I wanted to show you guys what is actually happening when I open the door. It starts running, and then this is spinning, and the fan's running as well. So we're gonna try and fix that today, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So here's how you fix that problem that I was just talking about. Here's the front of the microwave, and for some of these microwave ovens, you're actually going to take off a part up top, and you can open this and then take this front panel off and get to what we're looking at. But for my unit, I actually realized that this part is actually comes off. There's one screw right here, a couple screws in the back. You can pop those off as well to get in there. But before you do any of that, make sure that you unplug it. My microwave is not plugged up. Again, you can tell that it's unplugged and ready to be worked on. But again, for mine, I just actually popped this top panel back and was able to get in here. And if you want to kind of work in here, you can see this is the front panel. You can get to this, you can pop these screws out and move it out, and you can see it. But I realized that the actual things I want to show you are right here. And so that's why I left it this way, so you can see in there and maybe even see in there better than looking the other way. So I kind of wanted to show you what you need to be looking for in here. When you open this panel up, however you do that on your microwave, you're gonna look and see these three gray boxes. These are your switches. These are microwave door switches. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get in there and try to take those off. And so you can easily do that. But before you do that, make sure you take a picture so you know what it looks like, because you're gonna have to put it back together. Always do that whenever you're doing a project. Take your picture, then you can actually pull these two prongs apart, and then this little gray piece will pop out. I removed the wires with just some needle nose pliers, just kind of grabbed them and then moved them a little bit, and it worked out. And what you're gonna do is one of these little gray pieces like this are gonna pop out. And this again is your microwave door switch. And what you're looking for is this little black piece on the top. If your door switch is working well and it's still good, it's gonna make a little clicking sound, a little popping sound like that. That means it's good. But if it's bad, and this is the one that I had on top right here, then there actually is not gonna be a clicking sound, and the piece is actually gonna be stuck in there. And so that's gonna be your problem. You can also kind of see where it got burned, and so they're kind of toast. But, so that's what you're looking for. Again, we have three of those. You can kind of see the one down here, one right there, and then the one right here. So real easy, you can just pop those off. Again, for mine, you can just see there's two little black bars right there. You just kind of pop them off, and then you can pop it right back in. Really easy, not too hard of a job to do that. And then check them out and see if this is the part or not. See if this is the piece. And if you're wondering, like, what do I do after I find out it's faulty? Well, if you look on the little unit, you can actually kind of like either Google or look on Amazon for what this item is. A lot of times it has like little words on the back. You can actually look those up. I'll have a link to the one I have, but you can look those up for yourself and order those on Amazon or Google or wherever you can find them. But after you replace these, check them all out, replace those. I actually, again, took this part right here off so that I could show you, but I'm gonna pop that piece back in there. So like I said, I popped this piece back in here and got it ready and got the door going again. And so you should be able to see this snug in here, have all of your boxes in there, make sure everything is in there tight. Then you can put it all back together and you should be good to go. I hope this helps.